headed out to Johnson Valley. We are currently in Yucca. Just stopped at the store to grab some last minute goods, and we are heading out to Boone Road right now, and we're gonna camp off of Boone Road. We have a bunch of our friends are gonna meet us out there right now. We got Taylor and Amanda behind us. They met us at the store since they live out here. And we're going to head to the dune jump and do our gender reveal. So we had our results sent to Luana's brother, and he filled the balloons. We got helium tanks from Walmart, and we're gonna go out there and we're gonna attempt to pop a balloon with the pre-runner or with the race truck off of the dune jump in Johnson Valley. So we'll kind of video all the shenanigans and see how it works out. Hopefully it goes smoothly and I'll be covered with either pink or blue powder. And we're using it's all starch powder, so it won't hurt the environment and all that stuff. So should be exciting. So we're gonna do a little barbecue and everything for everybody that showed up, and just kind of have a good time, and probably be one of our last trips before the baby comes. We are going to race the Mint 400 next year, so we figured this is a good plan. We can do a lot of testing, a lot of shock tuning that we wanted to do, so we'll be doing testing days, but not really desert trips to get ready for that. We may race the Battle at Print, or not Battle at Print, but Rage at the River. It just depends on how everything goes, and you know, the baby will be coming right before that, so we don't know how all that's gonna work out. But Nick, our buddy Nick, with the other race truck Toyota that we built for him, he talked us into racing the Mint. So it's kind of been a lifelong dream for him, and you know, kind of like a bucket list dream for me and the family. And you know, we're gonna shoot for it and do testing, and you know, actually get the truck into its top condition to race. So, but that's not what today is about. Today is about finding out what our baby's gonna be. So it's pretty exciting.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
What do you think, Berlin? Boy or girl?
Girl.
Ryan?
Boy.
I don't know, but I'm kind of, for some reason, I think it's a girl. I don't know why.
Mom thinks it's a girl too.
I think it's a boy, but part of me thinks it's a girl, so I don't know. It's gonna be a big surprise.
Part of you is always right.
So normally we find out, like, so with little man in Berlin, we found out
Right away at 13 weeks.
Yeah, we found out right away.
We did the ultrasound.
We never did a gender reveal, so we figure we're gonna do it, and we wanted to do it this way, so it should be pretty cool. So I took some 1-inch PVC and I cut it in half, and I put about 8 screws in each piece of PVC, and we're gonna tape it to the front bumper and hopefully set up the balloon. It looks kind of windy out here, so I brought fishing line to try to tie it down and keep it in one spot. So see how it goes.
Those are going on the bumper.
Yeah.
So what did you make?
Made that last night.
That you should sell to all the side-by-sides.
So we green stickered the truck just because we don't drive it on the street anymore.
But it's dual registration.
It's dual registration, so it's got both. It's got street legal and green sticker. So I machined this last night for it. I still gotta make a mount that has dual mounts. I just didn't have time, so I used one of our light bracket mounts just for this trip. It's the JuberaFab.
What are you doing?
I bought a. Trying to be a grill master.
2-liter bottles and a water.
I got the cowboy hat on, so it's official.
2-liter bottles and a water, like full 2-liter bottles and a watermelon.
Alabama ham's good. Water in
They're playing this.
that. Yeah, Bronco? You know what I mean?
You guys ready to go to the dunes?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to find out if it's a boy or girl?
No.
What, are you gonna do a test hit or what?
I totally just bought a ton of GoPros and like a billion mounts and other things. And someone said it here and I'm like, why did I not bring that? Like, I just spent so much money on that setup.
Half the time I'll leave the GoPro back at camp.
Right?
I mean, I know where I land here. No, I'm saying for me, so I can be consistent coming up. I put 2 pieces of wood out there.
I think if we put you in the middle of where you're landing.
Yeah. All right.
So what's the plan?
I'm gonna do some test hits right now, and then we're gonna figure out the balloon, fill up the balloon, and go from there. Make stuff happen.
Make stuff go
Love you.
boom boom.
Love
Pow.
you too. Be careful. Hey, Beeper, are you excited? What do you think? Huh.
It is in the GPS.
Dang, that's nice. It's a truck you built all by yourself, huh?
Yeah.
It's nice.
I've got a picture of her, like, handfuls of the biggest gummy grin ever.
But that was about right.
Head height, right where we thought.
Yeah, but that was only about taking it into it around. There it is. I think that's almost perfect,
Yeah, we can't have that happen. We have 7 more.
How hard do you need to hit a balloon to get it to pop?
I feel bad for Nick because when they're gonna pop it, Nick's like, ah! Well, Dad's just gonna have us help in a Parker program.
Nick's like, I can't see, I can't breathe.
Is it like powder or confetti?
It's, I didn't want to use confetti because of like being out here littering.
Yeah. No, I think that's a great
It's
idea.
like cornstarch.
Oh, cool.
Nice, guys. Was that too high?
God dang indestructible balloons.
Indestructible? Like, I don't want it. Ah!
Where's the balloon?
There's a hole. It's coming out. It's coming out.
Tell him to come back.
Come back now.
It's deflated.
It's blue.
Wait for it.
Keep recording. Good job. Congrats! Where's Berlin? Baby boy!
Oh.
You excited?
Did it have a bunch of baby any holes in it?
What were you
Oh,
thinking?
it was pissing out everywhere. It got stabbed, definitely, but it didn't pop.
Yeah, there was a hole in it.
Go see your daddy. Give him a hug.
Shit, it's all over.
He like picked it up
I went
and
to
then
grab
it
the
popped.
stem and there's a whoop. Oh, yeah, we took a little dust nap over there. Did you?
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Oh, baby boy. Woo! I'm gonna go see the powder.
We can get like a nice, like glamorous shot of you guys stabbing one.
Baby boy.
Watch out.